What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about 4 mods that you need for the interior of your Subaru Impreza. Let's get into it. So the interior of the Impreza is pretty nice. Now these 4 mods that we're going to be installing today are just to enhance that. We're not changing anything, we're just enhancing stuff, right? So starting with number 1. So one complaint that I do have, it was the same issue on my Crosstrek. There never seems to be a proper place to put loose change. Now as you can see here, I just keep my loose change in one of the cup holders, which is not super ideal, especially if you have 2 people in the car that want to have drinks in the cup holders, right? Now we do have this little cutout right here behind the cup holders. So I guess you can keep loose change there, but still it's not really the most ideal spot. That leaves us with this really cool product right here. This is actually a replacement to your fuse door, which is located right here. I'll bring you guys in close. Essentially what this does is just replaces your existing fuse door. So we just take it out just like that, pops right out, and you're just replaced with this one. Now as you can see, this one, they just add a little coin slot to it. So it's just a makeshift coin box. So what's cool about this product is it actually does come with a fuse guide, just like the one you just removed. And installation is pretty simple. You just pop it right on. And that's it. And just like that, you have a nice place to keep your spare change. Now the second mod we're going to be doing is addressing this piano black of the shifter. Now scratching on the piano black was actually an issue I had on the Mazda 3. I don't know what it is with piano black, but it scratches so easy. The same issue, the same problem that I had on the Mazda 3. As soon as I peeled off the plastic, there were scratches underneath. Same thing here. I peeled off the plastic. They're coming from the factory scratch. I don't get it. I don't understand it. It looks bad. It looks terrible. So we're going to address that. What I have picked up is this little overlay. Now all this is going to do is just sit over top and cover up majority of those scratches. All this is just 3M back. As you can see here, I did go with like a little honeycomb, a matte honeycomb finish. Now this is not actually how this thing comes. I went ahead and wrapped it myself. It actually comes in that carbon fiber. I don't really like the way fake carbon fiber looks. It's just not for me. I really love this honeycomb. So if you're interested in doing this, I will leave a link to this matte honeycomb wrap that I did myself. It was pretty easy. It took me probably about 20 minutes just to get a heat gun, an X-Acto knife, you know, kind of heat it up. It's not perfect because it is a sticker. It's really hard to wrap a sticker. If this was like a solid hard piece, it would have been a lot easier to wrap. Now again, installation of this is fairly simple. What we're going to do, we're just going to take some isopropyl alcohol, get you a little rag, wipe down the area, and all we're going to do is peel back the 3M and stick it on. Now take your time when you're lining this up because it's kind of just a one-shot thing. So take your time, move slow, don't rush, line it up exactly how you want it. If something else comes out later on, I might change this up because it doesn't really cover completely how I'd like it to. As you can see, there's still some exposed piano black, but I mean, it's good enough. It works. It does what I wanted it to. So I'll give it a 4 out of 5. So sticking with our center console, that brings us to our third mod, which will be a tray organizer for our center console. Looks just like this, okay? It's just an organization tray. As you can see here, it's just a bottomless pit of nothingness. So what this is gonna do is just basically give us more organization. We're still gonna have the bottomless pit underneath, but this just kind of sits on top. And if we do have stuff down below, all we have to do is just pick it up, take it out. That's really it. So with our new storage compartment completed, that brings us to our final mod, which is this right here. Yeah. It's a screen protector. Oh, really, dude? Because this is a touch screen, we're touching all over the place, just like your phone. You'd like to have a screen protector, that way you don't scratch and mar up the actual glass itself. Same concept, isopropyl alcohol, clean off the screen, make sure we have a nice clean surface for our protector to bond to. Now this is a piece of tempered glass, so it's strong and very durable. And we're just gonna line it up, and when you got it kind of where you want it, just set it down. Now if you do have some air bubbles left over, give it some time to cure. The heat will dissipate just like with window tint, the air bubbles, and they should be gone within a few days. And there we have it, guys. That is 4 cheap and easy mods that you can do to the interior of your Subaru Impreza. Everything I used today will be linked in the description down below for you guys to buy and check out for yourself if you want to install it on your own Impreza. So if you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next Subaru video. Peace.